here at City of Berkeley delivering our Monarch Tractor to the first municipality here in the state of California. It's exciting to say that it's been nearly 1 year since we started to deploy tractors. Rain, sun, snow, what have you, we're on the field delivering tractors.
My name is Melissa Marzette Green. I am the Senior Landscape Gardener Supervisor with the City of Berkeley Parks Division. And today we just had our Monarch electric tractor delivered, and we are super excited. City of Berkeley has been known to be a trailblazer. I'm really happy to know that the City of Berkeley is the first municipality in the state of California to purchase a Monarch electric tractor, and not just purchase it, but take delivery of it here in the state of California through the Core Grant. I'm excited to be a part of that.
For the City of Berkeley, it's a great solution, not only from a safety perspective, but also good for the community, knowing that the city is making appropriate steps towards zero emission pieces of technology and equipment.
As we all know, California is moving away from gas-powered vehicles, gas-powered equipment, and we've been slowly but surely purchasing electrical equipment for our operations. This is going to be the largest piece. We looked into using Core, and I reached out to David with Monarch, who said, hey, you know what? Come see us and we'll show you what we got. We'd seen another tractor here in California, but it did not meet our needs. The tractor was not powerful enough for us to use the attachments that we use in our operations, and the Monarch was everything that we needed.
With cities and municipalities across the U.S., a lot of municipalities may be looking for solutions for grounds maintenance. Monarch Tractor can be just that. Again, from a safety perspective and zero emission perspective, making those municipalities more profitable, safer, and cleaner for their everyday operations. We're excited to see how the relationship blossoms with the City of Berkeley and where it takes us. The future is very bright.